Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be cooking some ribs and some macaroni and cheese and maybe vegetables on the side. So this is just to show you guys for right now that we are quarantined, what me and the kids are gonna be eating for dinner. So I'm just bringing you along with us to come with us cooking in the kitchen. So today's the night before. I'm gonna cook this tomorrow. So I'm gonna cut this in pieces and then actually cook it tomorrow. So I want everything to marinate and then just put everything in the oven and in the morning or later on tomorrow. So that's what I'm doing. So this is the baby back ribs right here. So I'm just gonna cut it up in pieces, then I'm gonna soak it in with vinegar right here and then take the fat out and season it, clean it, season it out and stuff like that. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. So it's better off for you to cut it up in pieces and then soak it in vinegar and then take the fat off. That's what I'm gonna be doing. So I'm gonna cut it up first and then soak it, then take the fat off the meat. But you can do yours any way you want to, as desired, and make it faster. But for me, I rather soak it first in vinegar before. I'm literally gonna soak it in for 10 minutes and then take it out and then take the fat out. Okay guys, so now I have my meats in here. So what I'm gonna do is vinegar in here. So this is it right here. So I'm just gonna let it soak for 10 minutes and then I'm gonna come back when it's all cleaned up and everything, so before I season it for the next day. Okay, so I'll get back with you guys. Okay guys, so I already washed my meat. As you can see right here, it's very clean. So basically what I'm gonna do now is to season my meats and then put it into this pan right here for tomorrow, so when I bake it and everything else will be fine. So I'm just gonna season this whole entire thing and then put it in there. So I'm gonna use cayenne pepper, just a little bit because it's for the kids, paprika, black pepper, seasoned salt, and chicken bouillon. And then I'm also gonna put in my barbecue sauce. I'm not gonna put much, but just a little, just to give it a taste while they marinate in between. So that will be it. So now I'm just gonna mix everything in. Make sure you drain the water out of your meats before you start adding your seasonings and things like that, so it won't get all watery. So that is it. So now I'm just gonna turn it over here. And then it's ready to marinate, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna make my macaroni and cheese. Like I said, I'm gonna be having ribs and macaroni and cheese for the kids. So now I got my pot boiling. As you can see over there, I already made the ribs and everything. So now I'm just gonna pour in 2 boxes of macaroni and cheese. This is the one that I'm using. I'm just gonna put it in there. I don't let my macaroni cook all the way. I just do half and half. And then once I add the milk and the cheese and the butter, everything else, then I let it, because I don't like it to be overcooked. So I'm gonna give it like maybe 3-4 minutes, and then I'm gonna strain the water, and then I'm gonna add, you know, the rest of the stuff into it. So just follow your macaroni and cheese direction, you know, whatever directions it gives you on the back of it, you can just follow that. Okay, so that's what I'm doing here. So yeah. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna add the butter. Add my butter. I'm gonna add my milk. I'm gonna eyeball it as I go on. And then I'm gonna add my cheese. So I'm gonna mix this up, and then I'm gonna let this simmer down, and that is it, y'all. Dinner is done. This quarantine meals, it's coming on my channel, y'all. Some of them I just made it up as I go on. What can you do when you sit down, you know, at the house? So you gotta brainstorm every little stuff. So I'm gonna let this simmer down, and then I will show you guys the final look and how the plates will be made for the kids. So yeah. Okay you guys, so the macaroni is all cooked. So now I'm gonna dish the food out, and yeah, so as you can see, my ribs is already there. So Yo, these ribs look so good and they taste so good, y'all. So juicy. Look at that. I have boys in my house, y'all. So anything that I cook, it has to be enough for the boys, okay? So I'm just gonna add some mac and cheese. And then we have this with fruits on the side. And that will be it. The other one doesn't want macaroni and cheese, so I'm just gonna leave his plate blank like that. And so this is how I set up my meals right there, or the kids meal. Like this one wants some cantaloupe that goes with it, the other one doesn't. So yeah, so that's what they do, y'all. The other one doesn't, so this is what left. And I know by the ending of the day they're ready to eat, okay? Eat the whole thing. So this is what I did today. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.